Hello, everybody, and thank you for watching. My name is Hunter Derrick, and I am a current student at the University of Advancing Technology. I'm studying to be a video game programmer and game designer. And today I'm going to cover one of my degree objectives. Today's degree objective number 5, demonstrate development skills using more than one programming language, development environment, platform, and or source control system. So for the most part, my projects here have all been done in Unity 3D, C# programming, etc. But for objective number 5, I have to showcase skills utilizing a different language. So for the objective, I'm going to be showing 2 projects that I made utilizing C++. One is a word search type project piece where basically you input a file extension or location and you read it as a text file, .txt, and it displays line by line what each word is in that text file. And so it searches for the words and it displays them. It'll probably make more sense once I show it. And the other one is a Blackjack game that I was working on. It was for a project, but also for a kind of a follow along like example that I could see if I could make it happen. And I customized a lot of it, made it kind of my own, and did that in C++ as well. So without further ado, let's go to the file explorer here and go to the school folder that I have, and we're going to go to word search. I'm going to open up the solution here, Visual Studio 2017, show you what it looks like once it loads. There we go. So here is the source code for the word search. Pretty short, pretty straightforward. All we're doing is searching for a file. Oh, sorry about that. Searching for a file, and we have exceptions and errors just in case it doesn't work. So for example, if it works error free, the background is going to turn green and display everything in white. If it doesn't work, we have an error, background is going to turn red and place the text to white to alert an error. So here is the file that I will be searching for. It is Minion and Undead Dragon HP Tracker. As you can see, there's a decent amount of text here. So I'm going to just copy this so it's a lot easier, so I don't have to type it, and I'm going to run it. So, and then .txt. So if we want to do a side-by-side comparison, let's see, found search word, HP, base for minions, 1, 200 HP and 55 damage. As you can see here, it's reading line by line what is in the text document. And it worked because the background turned green and the text color is white. And so line by line you go down, it reads everything here that is listed in the text document. And I'll show you just in case I type something incorrectly, if you already get an error. Error code 10, file is not found, because I misspelled the word school. So it works, it throws the error when it's supposed to, and it doesn't throw the error when you're searching for what you're looking for. So that's just a little simple word tracker for text-based files. Moving on to the Blackjack game. So this one's a little bit more intense. There's a lot going on here. So basically we have things running in the background that's shuffling the cards, making sure you don't get duplicate cards. It can track how many players. As of right now, I believe I have it set up for... dang it, did it again. For 1 to 12 players. And as you can see, we have it listed as 52 cards in the deck. And here's some of this code for it. I won't go through every single piece of it, but there's the code making everything happen. This is the actual game .cpp file. So this is where the game play is run through. And then we have the deck. We have the deck header file. The house, so the computer, the dealer. And then we have player files, players.cpp. And this is where it inputs player name. That's the player. Do they want to hit? Do they want to stay? Wins, loses, and it tracks. So the goal of the game is to get 21. If you go over 21, you bust, you lose. And so as long as you have the higher number, you win. So let's go ahead and play it. Welcome to Blackjack. Rules. Number 1, have fun. Number 2, players are allowed to take as many hits as desired as long as total does not exceed 21. Number 3, if the player's total is equal to the house's total, it will result in a push. Rule 4, make sure your total is higher than everyone else's, but does not exceed 21. Number 5, have fun. Press any key to continue. How many players? I'm going to do 4. Let's see, Hunter, Steve. Steve's a nice name. Bob, and Mario. Alright, so Hunter, Queen of Spades, 6 of Diamonds, 16. Steve, 2 of Spades, 4 of Spades, is 6. Bob has 8 and 6, 14. Mario has Jack and Jack, which is 20. And the house, we don't know what the top card is, but they do know we have a 7 of clubs. So, playing Blackjack, right, at 16, some people say hit, some people say stay. I'm feeling it. Let's do something crazy because the dealer's already beating me at 17, so I'm going to take a hit. I get a 3 of diamonds, so I'm at 19. So do I want to hit? No. Steve is at 6. Steve wants a hit. Steve gets a 10. Steve is also at 16. Steve wants to hit. Ooh, Steve busts. Bob, 14. Bob wants a hit. Ooh, Bob gets an ace. 15. He wants another one. 2 of hearts, 17. Okay, so Bob can push. And then, what are you sitting at, Mario? Oh wait, Bob does not want to hit anymore. Mario, do you want to hit? Nope, Mario's solid at 20. Alright, so let's see. House 6 and 7, 13. 6, 7, 9, 22. The house bust. Hunter, Bob, and Mario wins. And as you can see here, Steve has busted. The house has busted. We can play again if we would like. And it restarts the game. Hunter, 8 and 8, 16. 5 and 2, 7 and 10. 4 and a king, and then got a 9. So do I want to hit? Why not? Bring it. Oh, I busted. Steve, yes you do. Steve wants to stay. What's Bob at? Bob is at 17. Bob will stay. Mario's at 14. Mario wants a hit. Mario's gonna stay. Oh, I hit the wrong button. Mario got lucky. Mario does not want to hit. See, the house, 24. Everybody wins but me because I busted. So that's the Blackjack game in a nutshell, utilizing C++. I'm going to hit no because I don't want to play again. And that's how that works. And that kind of wraps up the video content for objective number 5, utilizing and demonstrating development skills using more than one programming language, development environment, and platform. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great rest of your day.